Imagine a place where ice stretches endlessly, painted in white and blue, a world apart. That's Greenland. The name sounds lush, but the real treasure here is the richest, most magnificent ice on Earth. Greenland is the world's largest island, almost entirely covered by a colossal ice sheet. This isn't just frozen water, it's a living record of our planet's history, holding secrets from thousands of years ago. The ice tells stories of ancient weather, volcanic eruptions, and the air our ancestors breathed. Life thrives here. Polar bears roam, whales glide, and resilient people have built communities along the coast for centuries. The ice shapes every aspect of life, dictating travel, hunting, and even how homes are built. My first glimpse from the plane was unforgettable. A crumpled white silk landscape dotted with turquoise meltwater pools and jagged glaciers. As we descended, the details emerged. Mountains peeking through the ice, deep blue seas filled with floating icebergs. It was a powerful reminder that our planet holds wonders beyond imagination. Greenland makes you feel small, yet part of something truly magnificent. This is a land that gets under your skin and into your soul. Greenland's glaciers are not static. They're slow-moving rivers of ice, shaping the land for millennia. Born high on the ice sheet, snow compacts into dense blue ice, which gravity pulls toward the sea. These glaciers carve mountains, create deep valleys, and sculpt dramatic fjords. Sailing through a fjord is to travel a path forged by ancient ice. At the sea, glaciers calve. Enormous chunks break off with thunderous cracks, a raw display of nature's power. Glaciers provide fresh water and release nutrients into the sea, fueling a web of life from tiny organisms to whales. Local hunters and fishermen know the glaciers intimately, respecting their rhythms and unpredictability. But these mighty rivers are changing. Warming temperatures mean Greenland's glaciers are melting faster than ever. Locals recall when the ice reached further and winters were longer. This isn't just a local issue. Melting ice raises sea levels worldwide. Witnessing these glaciers is to see something precious and vulnerable, shrinking before our eyes. The fate of Greenland's ice is tied to us all. It's a beautiful giant, and its story is urgent. Stepping onto Greenlandic ice felt like landing on another planet. Crisp air, endless white, and profound silence. The emptiness was peaceful, clearing my mind and making me feel truly present. At the Ilulissat Ice Fjord, a UNESCO site, I saw one of the world's fastest glaciers pushing icebergs into the sea. The fjord was jammed with frozen giants, flat, spired, arched, streaked with blue and ancient ash. A boat trip among these icy behemoths was magical. Our tiny vessel drifted in silence, surrounded by living sculptures. The only sounds, water lapping, ice creaking, as if the icebergs whispered secrets of their journey. That evening, the midnight sun cast a golden glow over the ice, painting everything in pink, orange, and gold. In the Arctic summer, the sun never truly sets. It just dips and rises again, bathing the landscape in ethereal light. The beauty was overwhelming, a privilege to witness. This journey wasn't just a trip, it touched my soul and left an indelible mark. Greenland's wilderness is a place of wonder and reflection. It's an experience that stays with you forever. Greenland calls to the adventurer in all of us. Dog sledding here isn't just for tourists. It's a tradition, a way of life for the Inuit people. Gliding across the snow behind a team of eager dogs, you feel the energy and the deep bond between musher and dogs. Wrapped in furs, I felt connected to centuries of history, traveling as people have for generations. The ride was both thrilling and peaceful, a true immersion in the white wilderness. Then comes the magic of the Arctic night, the aurora borealis. The northern lights begin as a faint glow, then swirl into ribbons of green, pink, and purple, a celestial ballet. Standing beneath them, you feel small and awestruck, connected to the universe. No photo can capture the feeling. It's an emotional, almost spiritual experience. These adventures, dog sledding and the northern lights, make Greenland unforgettable. Greenland's remote landscape holds a rich human history stretching back over 4,500 years. Hardy hunters first crossed from North America, adapting to one of Earth's harshest environments. The Inuit culture at Greenland's heart is deeply connected to land and sea, with traditions reflecting profound respect for nature. Meeting local people, I was struck by their warmth and resilience. In a small settlement, I was welcomed into a home. Stories and smiles bridged any language gap. Towns are splashes of color against the white, red, blue, green, yellow, each with its own story. Modern life blends with ancient traditions. Sled dogs rest beside cars, and community spirit is strong. Survival here depends on cooperation. Everyone looks out for each other. This sense of connection is Greenland's true strength, a warmth that contrasts with the cold. The people are the keepers of Greenland's stories and future. Meeting them was as memorable as the icebergs and northern lights. Greenland isn't just white, it's a world of extraordinary colors, especially in the ice. Many icebergs are dazzling white, but the real magic is the deep, glowing blue of ancient, dense ice. Over centuries, snow compresses, squeezing out air bubbles. Pure ice absorbs red and yellow light, reflecting only blue. Sometimes, a recently rolled iceberg reveals a breathtaking sapphire or turquoise underside. The colors tell a story. Dark stripes mark ancient dust or volcanic ash, frozen in time, and revealed as the iceberg melts. Each iceberg is a visible timeline of Earth's history, a journey from Greenland's heart to the sea. The light adds to the spectacle: golden midnight sun, pink dawn, fiery sunset, and long blue winter shadows. Greenland's colors transform the landscape into a dynamic, ever-changing canvas. It's a feast for the eyes and soul. The ice is alive with history and beauty. Every shade is a reminder of nature's artistry. Greenland's colors add another layer of wonder to this magical place. My journey through Greenland changed how I see the world, a place of raw beauty, immense power, and surprising fragility. Standing among ancient ice, meeting resilient people, you feel deeply connected to our planet's story. Greenland's future is tied to ours. Melting ice here raises seas everywhere. Seeing the glaciers firsthand makes climate change personal and urgent. This isn't about politics, it's about caring for a unique, precious place. Travel opens our hearts, we protect what we love. Greenland captures your heart with its silences, lights, ice, and community. It teaches patience, respect for nature, and the importance of harmony with our environment. Whether you visit or not, hold a place for Greenland in your heart. Let's be guardians of its beauty. It is, quite simply, one of the most special places on Earth.